Hey everyone, and welcome back to Hayden's Fish and Reptiles. Today I'm going to start a new series, Science Series. And this is what you would call a pool. This is also a pool. I need to cover some really important inventions. First of all, noodles. We all love these. They were invented in the early 1980s by a guy in Canada. He mass-produced them in Ontario at a polyester production company. And these are super soakers. They were invented in 1982. Most of them consist of a lever which you push to release the water. It adds pressure to a reservoir which forces the water out of this nozzle, like this. Alright, let's get this party started. So we're going to do some videos in slow motion. So when I nod my head, we're going to play a slow motion video of a pool party trick that you can do. Now what I do here can be explained by Isaac Newton's first law of motion. What is in motion stays in motion unless acted upon by another force. In this case, what slows me to my stop is the water. I experience fluid friction, which makes me stop. That was the classic jump into the pool trick. Now, let's get into the fun things that we can do with noodles. Alright, let's get into slow motion of that. Now in this case, the water is pushed out of the pool noodle because the air that I'm blowing in is pushing against the water, causing it to shoot out of the other end of the hollow pool noodle. Alright, so one of the best things you can do with these things is pretend like they're swords. So these super soakers are really good with pretend fights. So we're going to have a pretend fight with these super soakers in slow motion. Alright. This picture shows how the water pistols work. A plastic lever is pushed and that forces water up through a tube. The water then goes through the nozzle and exits the water blaster.
Moments later, more moments later, later.
I was just floating on the water back there. Did you know that when you're underwater, your ears pop because of the pressure around you? You see, the inner ear is used to a pressure of 14.7. That's the pressure of the atmosphere and the gases around us. If we enter the water, the pressure increases and your ears pop as a result. Although a deep dive can have results that are much more fatal if something goes wrong. Like, for example, if you go up from a deep dive too fast, you'll suffer from this condition where the gases inside your lungs increase pressure and your lungs expand and double in size. Yet in some cases they just pop. Like a water balloon. Let's have a slow-mo of this water balloon popping. So this shows how meteors impact the Earth and how they put a dent in the land. This is a much softer object, so it can break through a much softer surface. You'd really need lots of tons and lots of matter to bust through the Earth's outer layer because it's very strong. When placed inside a container, water fixes to the size and shape of its enclosure. That is seen here as a few milliseconds after I pop the balloon, the water inside the air is still shaped like the balloon. I fill up a super soaker or just these cheapy little, I don't know, water shooters, water pistols, whatever they're called. That you get from Dollar Tree, Dollar General, Family Dollar, whatever you do, you can get it from anything. This is how to empty them, and this is how to fill them up. You're gonna want to close these, and that was a short little tutorial on how to just work these. Yet, there are thunder clouds up here. Looks like it's gonna rain. I better get out of here, and I better go inside before I get rained out to death. One final word. If you're gonna weigh yourself, do not weigh yourself after going in the pool, shower, bath, whatever. The water clings to your skin and it clings to your clothes. You weigh 1 extra pound than you really do after you get out of the shower, bath, especially pool. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye!